In preparing for a new installation coming to Vizcaya's kitchen this fall, the museum's collections care team gave the space some extra TLC with a thorough top-to-bottom cleaning. This process isn't just about aesthetics, it's a vital aspect of preservation and conservation. The slow process of cleaning a historic space and objects involves much care and the use of conservation-grade chemicals and solvents to ensure proper yet gentle cleaning. Along the way, the team met with some challenges. One set of cabinets, for example, became stuck and required ingenuity to unlock without causing any damage. Mold was discovered, necessitating both cleaning and disinfection procedures. Some objects also presented unique issues, like the development of a fibrous mass on certain metal surfaces, sparking a journey of discovery into the intricacies of these materials. Want to see more behind-the-scenes content? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you on the next one.